Right, I'm going to show you how I make big elastic bands. I bought this guillotine many years ago, and I use it for cutting up inner tubes. I use it for cutting up cardboard and paper as well, but inner tubes, if you cut them up, you can make giant elastic bands, which I use for all sorts of things. So this is the first cut I'm making here. So that's it, first cut. Right, now it's a bit off, this is a bit twisted, this tube, so try and flatten it out as much as possible. Right, I'm going to trim that bit off because that's no good, the cut's not even enough. I'll get myself a piece of wood and I'll use that to hold down the piece of rubber, and that's a nice even cut. Right, so I'll move that along slightly depending on the width I want. So that's a fairly usable width, and that's my first elastic. So I just move it again and cut, and that one's no good. That wasn't a clean enough cut. Oh, maybe it was. No, it's got this wee tear on it here. Well, might be okay. Sometimes when they get a tear on them, they break very easily. But most of them turn out okay if you guillotine them properly. I guess you could do this with scissors maybe, I'm not sure, I never tried it with scissors, but it would take you an awful long time, whereas a quick cut gives you an elastic. Now you can end up with a lot of elastics out of one inner tube. If you get a motorbike tyre inner tube, then the elastics would be smaller, and you can cut up bicycle inner tubes which give you very small elastics. But these elastics are useful. I use them for rolling up electrical flex, and you can put it round and it keeps them tidy, it keeps string tidy, it keeps all sorts of things. I will show you in another video what else I use the elastic for. But they're useful for all sorts of purposes, and they last well. I've bought elastic bands and they perish after a short time, where these ones seem to last a lot longer. Now I'm sure it depends on the quality of the inner tube that you get. It's getting harder as well to get these inner tubes because more and more tyres are tubeless tyres. So you can still get them, you just go to tyre places, they don't want them because they don't do anything with them, and I think it costs them money to get rid of stuff like this. So like out of one inner tube you can get lots of elastics, and they're really good stretchy elastics. So that's how I make the elastic bands. In the next video I'll show you what I make with the elastic bands, or one of the things I make. Okay, thank you.